Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to have a look at conditional statements. So when I say conditional statements, they state a certain condition, and if the condition is not fulfilled, something else needs to happen. So they work along with your operational or your logical conditions from maths. So like for example, A equals to B. This basically means A equals B. Alright. So then there's A does not equals to B, then there's A less than B, then there's A less than or equal to B, then there's A greater than B, and there's A greater than or equal to B. Alright, so these are logical operations, and what they basically mean is A is equal to B, A does not equal to B, A is less than B. Similarly, you can have A is greater than B. Similarly, you have A is less than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to B, and A is greater than B. So your if conditions work with these. So if you write A is equal to 33, B is equal to 200, and you write if A is greater than B, you have to write colon, enter, and like I said, indentations. Never forget the indentations. Alright, print A is greater than B. Control Shift F10. Alright, so nothing's printing over here. So that is because A is not greater than B. So let's just change this. Alright, so Control Shift F10. Alright, so there you can see A is greater than B. So in this basically we tried if this is occurring, then print this. So we gotta tell the system also what to do if it doesn't do that, right? So in our situation, when we did this, A is greater than B, and we run this code, it didn't run anything. That is because there is nothing else to do. If this is true, then do this. But if it isn't, we didn't say anything. So that is where you write else. Okay. So if A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. Else, and then you'll write column, print. Let me just copy this from here. Else print B is greater than A. So Control Shift F10, and there you go. We have B is greater than A. This was if, and if not, then else. Similarly, you have else if. So there could be like a third condition, right? So if A is 33, B is also 33, right? And if A is greater than B, print this, right? And if A is not greater than B, it will print this. But in this case, it is equal to, right? So in this case, what you'll do, we can write ELIF, which is else if A equals to B, print A and B are equal. Got it? So Control Shift F10, and it runs this. Got it? So in the elif keyword, it's Python's way of saying if the previous condition is not true, or the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. Simple. That's it. Alright, so this was very simple, right? So if you want to write this entire piece of code a little more cleanly, what you can do is you can write it like this. So this is how you write it in a little shorthand. So you write if A greater than B, print A is greater than B, and run. Alright, so if that doesn't work, you can also try else on it. So in this case, it's not working like this, right? So let's just see if we change this. Alright, so run this. It's equal, sorry. run. There you go. A is greater than B. So if you want to do the same thing with an if else condition, what you'll do is you'll write print A is greater than B if A is greater than B, else print B is greater than A. There you go, showing us B is greater than A. So if it wasn't, like I'll make this 333 and run, then you get A is greater than B. Alright, so that was a simple example. You can also try an AND condition where you can say if something and something along with AND. So if there is a value C and C is equal to 500. Okay. So here you can give if A is greater than B and C is greater than A, then what it should do. So that is also something you can do. So print, let's just keep it simple and print A, else print B. Control Shift F10. There you go. It's printing B because both these conditions don't match. So if both the conditions don't match, it is going to try and check if A is greater than B. It checked here and it saw that it isn't. Then it checked if C is greater than A. C is greater than A, but this is not matching. So it didn't print this, which is print A. It printed the else condition, which is print B. Now, there's another thing called OR. So if you do if A is greater than B or this, so either of this condition gets matched, then it will print this. Otherwise, it will print this. So let's run this. There you go. It's printing A. Because in this case, A is not greater than B. So this is false. But C is greater than A. So even if one of these two conditions match, it will print this one. Okay. So that's it for conditional statements. Try these out, practice them. Only then you'll be able to grasp the idea much better. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye.